Hey everybody, Scott here. Just wanted to show you this Roborock S7 Max Ultra robot mop and vacuum that we use to mop our hard floors here. As you can see, we use this downstairs and then got another one for our carpets upstairs. Here's where the dustbin goes. You just pull that off and then it slides in here, and to get it out you slide it up like that. To get it in, you slide this gray piece in the slots right here and just push it down, and then push that lever down too. It stays in place. Put the cap, the top back on. Pretty easy to put back on. Here is your clean water bin. So this just lifts off. I've got it pretty full right now. But this, you undo this lever right here. You see it's full of water. Just put it back on here. And then this is your dirty water bin. It's labeled right there. Dirty water, clean water. And then this opens the same way. Just lift this lever, empty your dirty water, rinse it out, clean it out, and then put it back on here. And then obviously you got your robot here. But this is probably the best robot vacuum we've had. It can mop and vacuum your floor at the same time, and then it does come back to this dock and empties the dustbin and empties the water tank, and also cleans the mopping pad on the bottom too, which is pretty cool. So I will follow up with it in action. This is the app. It is pretty intuitive. So when you set it, after you set it up and you get in here, this is what your home screen can looks like. So if you want to go in here, start vacuuming, you just hit enter. It loads your map after it's mapped the first time, and then you can change your cleans from vacuum and mop, vacuum, or customize. So we like to keep it on the turbo power. You can change it. There's max, balanced, and then quiet. And then for scrub intensity, you kind of keep it in the middle, and then you can change the route to here. But once you're ready to clean, you go ahead and just hit the clean button after you've got your settings ready to go. And we're going to do a full vacuum and mop here. So you just hit clean. You hear it talk to you. And then it starts cleaning your room after it fills up the water in the mop. Here's the vacuum getting ready to wash the mop and make sure the water's filled up before it starts vacuuming. It is a little noisy at first, but like I said, this is the best vacuum we've had. So you can hear it washing the mop there. So just wanted to show you this off the dock real quick. This does have obstacle avoidance sensors here on the front. So if you got stuff on your floor, you still want to pick up as much as you can, but it will try to avoid objects on the floor. And then when this mops, it goes around the perimeter after it's done the first mapping. Goes around the perimeter first of whatever rooms or your whole downstairs, whatever you're mopping. And then it'll come back and mop the rest of the floor. So here it is mopping and vacuuming. As you can see, it's trying to avoid our dog beds here. Works around it and the chair. You can see a little bit of the water on the floor from the mop. But in general, a pretty impressive machine for the technology it's got on it, and it's worked out really well for us so far in mopping and vacuum our downstairs floors. And like I said, you can customize your routines for what you want this to do. Emptying the dustbin. So it is pretty loud when it empties the dustbin.